So this paper airplane is very tricky and this is small. So hold the plane right here and make a kick throw. Before you throw the plane, make sure that you curve the wings of the plane up like this. Make the elevators and the stabilizers toward the center a little bit. Otherwise the plane won't fly. And when you throw it, do not throw it hard. Just make a kick throw. You see that? It flies very well. Let me hold the plane up and thrust one more time. Right here, I'll hold it up and thrust one more time. Wow! Alright, so let's pick it up one more time. If you thrust very hard, I expect it will crash quickly. You want to see how it flies when I thrust so hard? Okay? If you want to know, let me adjust the wing a little bit. Okay, this wing right here, I'll pull it up a bit. Okay? Now let me hold it up one more time. It's so small. Look at this. I can hold it in my hands. And guess what? I pull it with a piece of US letter size paper. There's no cut at all. Thrust one more time. It's a tricky paper airplane. If you don't thrust correctly, it will crash. If you thrust outside with the wings, it tends to crash too. So let me hold the plane right here. I adjust the wing just a little bit. And I'm going to thrust very lightly. Otherwise, it will crash quickly. So this will be the last throw, everyone. Hope that helped you to throw this plane successfully. So check it out. You see that? Hello everybody, welcome again to another tutorial. Today I'm going to teach you how to make a new paper airplane. The paper airplane is not completely new, but you will appreciate the plane. And let's start now. To make the paper airplane, you will need a piece of US letter size paper. But if you don't have US letter size paper, that's okay. Use A4 paper. Now, the first step, let's flatten the paper down. Start from this edge, fold straight to the other edge. So let me hold the paper up. Start from this corner and fold straight to this corner like this. And I want to make sure that all edges are lined up. So I will adjust the paper slowly. And I'll adjust the paper up here until it's hit to the tip right here. So let me move the paper up a little bit so you can see it. Now I can press the paper down. I press this down now, adjust it a little bit, and then I press down to create a crease. Now you finish with this diagonal crease. This is good. Let's open the paper, fold it to the other side, and now let's start from this edge, fold it to this edge again. Oh wow, there are so many folds, but don't worry, this paper airplane is not too difficult to make. So start from this edge, fold to the other edge. I will adjust the paper and fold slowly. Okay, until I hit to the corner here, I will adjust the paper a little bit. I may need to hold it up to see, or I can just press down and use my eye to measure it. So now it's look good. I press the paper down. This is up a little bit, so I adjust it one more time, and I can press the paper down. Hold the paper in here. Press it down. Now let me open the paper. This is look really good. On the following step, now let's do a normal fold. Fold the paper in half. Start from this edge, fold it to the other side. Now I can press down the paper again. Make sure that all edges are lined up. That's look good. So I press the paper down. Now I fold the paper in half already. Let's open the paper to see what we have. We have a lot of creases. This look good. Now I flip the paper over. I'll start from this up edge. I'll fold straight down, and I'll use the intersection here as a reference. You can see when I hit here, I press this part here. This paper pop up. Let's check it again. This is really fun. It's pop up. See? Let me press this down. It pop up. So I can fold this one up. And I'll use my finger as a preference here. I curve the paper a bit, and then I press the paper down. I can use the center crease as a preference. Make sure that this upper crease here align with the below crease, and this crease match with the below crease. This is very easy. Now I can press the paper down. I can press this down like this, and now I can open the paper, flatten it out. And now I can flip the paper over. You can see this part of the paper pop up a bit. I just press it down here. You can see the paper pop up. Let's do this again. the paper now flatten and this crease pop up, but now I want this upper part of the paper pop up. I just press this here, it's pop up. Really cool, right? Now I match this edge here, actually this crease. I fold it up a bit, it looks like an edge, but actually it's still a crease. So start from this crease here, I fold to the center crease like this. Same thing for this side, fold both sides to the center crease. Now this is what we have. On the following step, I will start from this upper part of the paper. I just press this down. Very simple. Let's adjust the paper a little bit. So now this is what we have. Let's look at a house, everyone. Looks really cool. On the following step, I will flip the paper over. I flatten the paper down. Make sure that I press this down the center crease a little bit. So this part tend to pop up a bit. I just adjust this so it pop up a bit. So it's look good, right? On the following step, I will start from this edge. I fold it straight up here, close to the center crease. But I will not hit to the center crease, because if I hit to the center crease, it will be very difficult for me to fold the paper in half later on. So I fold it like this. When I finish this side, I repeat the same fold for the opposite side. Very easy. Fold this part of the paper up, and I will adjust the paper just a little bit. And now I can press the paper down. Okay, I need to flatten the paper here too. So now I have like a house shape again, but it's look more cool. Okay. On the following step, this is very easy. I will start from this edge. I fold it to the center crease. Fold to the center crease. Make sure that you leave a small gap between the edge here with the center crease. Do not fold straight to the center crease. Leave a small, very small gap. So I press this side of the paper first, and then I repeat the same fold for the opposite side. Start from this edge, fold it to the center crease. Actually, I fold it close to the center crease. Okay, I press the paper down. Press this down very hard. I'll move my hand so you can see that. This is very easy. Now I open the paper, this side first and the other side. Guess what I'm going to do next? I'm going to start from this upper edge. I fold it to the center crease. When I fold this upper edge to the center crease, I'll hold the paper right here so that it stays intact. Now I can adjust the paper a bit and fold it close to the center crease. Very close. And I can fold this part of the paper like this. Okay. Now it's look really good. Once I finish this side, I'm going to repeat the same fold for the opposite side. Start from this upper edge, fold toward the center crease, and now I can press the paper down. Okay. Look at this. Now this is what we have. On the following step, let me open the paper for both sides. On the following step, I need to turn the paper like this, and I'll start from this edge, match both edge to each other. So I adjust it a little bit. Fold this edge here to the center crease, this edge here to the center crease, so that I can match the upper edge here with this edge. So I will adjust it a little bit, adjust the paper a little bit until I can fold this upper part all together. And I can press the paper down here. Same thing for this side. Now it looks really cool, right? Repeat the same fold for the opposite side, but I need to turn the paper like this first before I can fold this side. Now I can match both edge toward the center crease. Again, this toward the center crease, this toward the center crease. Alright, and then I just press both sides. Make sure that all edges are lined up, and I adjust it until I can create an edge right here to the corner. So I adjust it a little bit. Both sides, make sure that you press the paper hard and adjust it. Here we go. So this is what I have. I adjust this here first, and then this here, and I can fold this part of the paper back here like this here back like this, and I can fold upward here like this. So that's fine. This is what we have. This look really good, everyone. Now I will hold the paper up, right? You can see there I can fold the paper like this, right? I can fold this paper like this, but I just fold a little bit to show you. I just spread the paper. Okay, want to make sure that both sides are even. Now I can hold the paper like this, and I can flip the paper over, and I press this part of the paper down, and then I'll do the same thing for the other side. For it down, I may need to adjust the upper part here so that both sides are even. Just slowly and adjust it. Now I hold my hand. Now I just move my hand so you can see it. Okay, let me hold the paper up again. This is what we have. This is the bottom of the plan, and this will be at the top. So look at this. This will be on the bottom of the plan, and this will be on the top. So I'll flip the paper over again. I will start from this edge. I will pull it up a little bit. We want to make the wing look like a wing of a bird. Okay, so I adjust it. Do not fold too much. Alright, so I just fold it like this. This look good. The distance here is about 1 inch. Okay, just make sure that you do not fold too much. Once you finish this side, you can repeat the same for the opposite side. I'll turn the paper like this, and I'll use my eyes and eyeball it when I fold. This is very simple, about 1 inch, so I will adjust it a little bit. Here we go. Now it's look good. It's pop up a little bit, but that is fine. I will flip the paper over, and I turn the paper like this so you can see the head of the plant. You see the wings of the plant as well. Now I can just fold the paper in half. Fold slowly, do not fold so fast, otherwise you break the paper. And here we go. I can actually adjust the wing now so that it is even. If it's not even, then the plane won't fly well. Look at this. This is not even now, so I have to adjust it. And for this side, tour the center a little bit, like just a little bit, so that both sides are even. I just push it a little bit more, like this. Hold the paper up, and I just hold it up. Let's look about the same, right? And I can press the paper down. Now both sides, oh, it's up a little bit now, so I need to adjust this one more time. Okay, I fold this side of the paper up, and I adjust it one more time, so that it's even. It's look good now, much better. Much better. It's more even now. And I can press the paper down. So this is what I have for both sides of the plant. On the following step, I'm going to smash this upper edge toward the below edge. So hold the paper like this, curve it first. Mesh. Even though you want to match this upper edge to here, it is very difficult because now this part of the paper is very thick. It is very thick because it has so many layers. So I will not first match to this edge right away. I'll just curve it a little bit, and I'll just fold it straight here. The distance here will be about 1 inch, and this here is about half an inch. So I just adjust it and fold the paper down like this. Two good thing about this is when I fold, then I can adjust it. Now I can make the head of the plants look really nice, and I can fold it. Even though I am for half an inch, but when I fold, I was able to push it through. So if you are not able to do like this, that's fine. You can just fold it to make the wings. Okay, when I finish that side, I'm going to do the same step. Start from this edge, I fold it to this edge, fold straight there, and curl the wings. Make sure that the other sides of the wings even. Now I can press the paper down. Press it down. It looks really good. And I press this more. Now the plane is very small. This is one of the smallest paper airplane I ever created, guys. So look at this. This is the bird, everyone. This is a very cute bird. Alright, so on the following step, you have option. I will fold this one up like this. And I will fold a little bit more, about half an inch. More than half an inch actually. This is about 2/3 of an inch or 1 centimeter. And then press this paper down to create the elevators. Once I finish this side, I'm going to repeat the same fold for the other side. Press this down very hard. Okay. Make sure that both sides are even too. If it's not even, then you can just adjust the paper. Now it's look about the same size. Now I can open this side of the paper and this side of the paper. Alright everyone, so now you finish the paper airplane. Make sure that you curve the end of the wings up a bit like this. Alright, make sure that the stabilizers are straight up and parallel with the wings. Also you need to fold this part up so that it looks like a bat. So let's fold this part up to make the ear of the bat. Here we go, let's fold a little bit more, you may need to adjust it. And here we go, this is the new paper airplane, this is a bat. So just want to give you a little bit background of the plane. That is designed based on the swallow, and I'll give credit to the swallow as well. Also, when you throw the plane, do not throw it hard. If you throw it hard, the plane will crash quickly. So you need to make a kick throw first to see how the plane will fly. Sometimes fly a little bit to the left. You need to adjust it a little bit so it fly to the right. And finally, thank you for watching. I hope that you guys enjoyed making this paper airplane. Don't forget to like the video, share the tutorial with your friends, and subscribe my channel